guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Ayie and welcome guys. Sekreto ng mga vloggers tag, which was tagged to me by Eat, Love, and Travel with Grace. Hi sis, thank you so much for the tag. Yeah, so there are 15 questions that I need to answer. Yes, so we'll start now. At the end of this video, I'm gonna tag some YouTubers, some YouTubers also. Parang wala ako sa mood. Pero kailangan kong gawin na to kasi baka wala naman ng time. So, pasensya na ito kasi lamin ako dahil hindi ko mababasa ito, guys. So, first question. What camera do you use for vlogging? The camera that I use is, hindi pa ako nakakabili kaya ang aking phone camera lang ang ginagamit ko at the moment. Hindi pa ako nakakabili kasi kulang pa ang pambili ng lolo nyo. Yan. Number 2, what editing system do you use? I have 3 editing system actually. On the phone, it's Filmora Go. Filmora. And on the laptop, I use this movie maker and PowerPoint. Yes. Ito lang ginagamit ko, guys. Number 3, do you use artificial or natural lighting? At the moment, most of the time, I'm just using natural lighting. Number 4, what is the top item or items in your filming wish list? The top item is the camera, of course, because as what I've said, I wanted to buy a new camera. Pero wala pang budget kasi may inuna pa ako. Alam mo na yung priority. Yung mga priorities tayo. So, yun muna inuna ko, guys. Pakinggan ko ganyan na naman. Number 5. What is your favorite day of the week to film? Actually, I don't have any favorite day kasi the moment na may naisip ako or the moment na nagka-time ako, on the spot ginagawa ko siya. Hindi na ako nagpapatumpik. Gaya ngayon, hindi nakaplano ito. So, ginawa ko na agad. To film. Number 6, do you plan your videos? As what I've said, no, I don't plan. Though, sometimes may mga naiisip ako. So, if may mga naiisip ako, what I do is, if I get the time, yun na nga, ginagawa ko agad. Wala ako talaga yung plan eh. Halimbawa, on Monday, like that, on Tuesday, I'm gonna do this na. How many hours do you spend on editing? Minimum, guys, kung maikli lang naman, minimum is just 1 hour. Maximum, pag maraming mga effects, mga ganyan, kagaya nung, pero kung yung parang, anong tawag doon? Yung short skit, ang tawag doon. Inaabot siguro ako ng mga 2 hours or 3, ganyan. Kasi minsan patayo-tayo, mga mga intermission numbers, so, ayun. Number number 7, how long does it take for you to film an average video? For an average video, it takes me average minimum is 1 hour. Kasi 1 hour kasi hindi ko naman siya pinifilm the whole time. Ini-stop ko siya. Yan. So, 1 hour. Number 9, favorite types of video to film? My favorite is crafting, DIYing. That's my favorite. Though, medyo mabusisi. But because actually that is supposed to be the main content of my channel. Medyo mabusisi siya pero mas gusto kong mag-film. Mas mahaba, yun ako naabot ng 2 hours. I like it. So, yun ang pinakagusto ko. Crafting or DIYing, ganyan. Do people at your school or work know about your channel? Not really, because only my closest friends and my daughter. Yeah, only them know maraming mga kalokohan ko sa YouTube. No one else. Yun lang makaka-discover, makakakita sa akin. Ay, ano ka man dyan, mga ganyan. Otherwise, no, I don't tell anyone. What is your process of thinking of video ideas? I know. Process of thinking, I don't understand that, but my process of thinking is imagination and creativity on the concept. Ano ibig sabihin ng imagination and creativity on the concept? Is like, for example, I want to do some cooking video, or I want to do crafting video. So how do I apply that? So imagine how will they, because not all of you, like, I love crafting, I'm so passionate about it. It's like whatever it is, I can do something about it. So alam kong hindi lahat kayo makaka-relate dun. So yung bang makaka-ano kayo, halimbawa yung ginawa ko yung sa last na crafting ko is yung DIY ko is yung empty tissue roll. So marami akong pwedeng gawin doon, pero para makarelate kayo, alam mo yon. So gumawa ako ng bagay na, halimbawa sa makeup, kasi karamihan naman ng audience ko, alam ko rin mga subscribers ko, nahilig sa makeup. So they are up into makeup thing, yung mga ganyan. So yun, yung organizer, yun ang ginawa ko. So I imagine how it's gonna be like. So, do you feel awkward filming? Yes, I do, especially outside, ngayon vlogging outside. That's why very few hindi ako laging nagbablog in the public kasi nahihiya ako. I feel awkward na magsalita. So pwede pa siguro yung papakita ko lang yung yung nasaan ako, pero yung magsasalita, hindi ako sanay talaga. Basta kahit nga ngayon pag mag-usap, nag-film ako ng ganito, naiilang pa rin ako. Parang nagbabakil ako, lagi napapansin yun. So, yun lang yun. Gusto ko yung, kaya minsan kung ano lang nang mabasa bunganga ako, nang gusto ko yung natural na lang ba. Doon natural naman talaga ako kung anong sinasabi ko, yun na yun. Hindi ako mahilig ng guys, hindi ako mahilig yung take 1, take 2. Hindi ako mahilig ng ganun. So, kung ano na yung spontaneous na yung sinasabi ko. Kasi gusto ko maging natural. Gusto ko ma-relax. Ganun. Do you or your YouTube friends plan out videos together? No. Not yet. Wala pa naman ang experience mo. What is your subs goal by the end of the year? I don't have any goal. As long as ma-reach ang goal ko lang is mapasaya kayo. No, I mean for the subscription, of course, I want to reach at least 1,000 at the end of the year. Hindi ganun kadali, guys. Alam niyo yan. Relate kayo dyan. So, yun lang naman. Kung ma-reach ko na yun, okay na. Kasi masaya lang naman ako sa ginagawa ko So, kung ma-appreciate yun ni YouTube, diba, kung ako isweldohan ni YouTube, okay lang. Otherwise, kung hindi, it's okay. I'm just going with the flow. Masaya ako sa ginagawa ko Ano yun? Rally ba kayo? Ganun ba kayo? So, ngayon malapit na akong mag 1K actually. Pero, ewan ko, okay lang naman ako. Kahit hindi pa ako maka 1K. Carry lang, ganyan. Yes, so yay, finally, number 15. Hindi ko alam mga pinagsasabi ko. Who do you tag to do this video? Since ito nga ay on the spot, guys, kararating ko maglakatya, diba? Hindi ko pa naisusulat kung sino yung mga itatag ko. Isusulat ko na lang, at the end of this video, lalabas na lang silang ganyan. Bigla na lang silang mag-a-appear kung sino yung, isipin ko pa, kung sino yung mga gusto kong itag. So, yes guys, that's all. I hope you like my video, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe and pindot the notification bell so every time na ako ay mag-upload, kayo ay notify. So, yes guys, I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!